What's good, guys? The crypto markets are absolutely parabolic once again, and we're getting a reminder of what a bull market kind of feels like. So everything is popping off, everything's looking crazy. We've got Bitcoin above $50,000 right now, which is such a rare sight. And we can see on crypto bubbles right here, everything is just looking seriously hot on the week. On the day, we've got a myriad here, got mixed emotions, bit of red, bit of green, but overall, it's been a fantastic week. It's been a strong month, February, and we could see a lot more upside. So in this video, guys, we're looking at 5 projects that I'm feeling pretty bullish on, and fingers crossed we can actually see some continuation for these, because some of them have got some big news coming out as well, which is quite timely, quite time sensitive, which kind of makes me gravitate towards them right now. So wow, look at that. First of all, Bitcoin over $1 trillion in value. That's unbelievable. Am I actually saying Bitcoin is worth $1 trillion? That's brilliant. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, because you know this is huge. Bitcoin is sitting at 52k right now, and help us get to 30,000 subscribers. Now let's move into coin number 1, which may shock you, but we're actually going to look at first coin being BNB. BNB, simply because BNB, of course, is like a token that is basically, imagine the Amazon of the crypto marketplace. BNB is like the tip of the spearhead for those, you know, BEP20 coins. Without BEP20, without Binance Smart Chain, you don't get all those crazy meme coins, all those big projects that go live. And as we see more ecosystems spawn, more ecosystems come to life, we're going to see BNB climb up slowly. And it is like the marketplace, the Amazon marketplace for cryptocurrency, Binance itself, you know. So 53.2, look at that, that's insane, $1 billion market cap. And what's so important about the structural here, the technicals, not just the fundamentals, but the technicals here for BNB, is that finally BNB's had a bit of an awakening. You can see from these lows of $204 when we had the Binance FUD, it's up 74% to $358 through a very integral resistance level. And now this has happened, we can start thinking about the continuation to that $600, $700, maybe even $800 mark. Now I'm not saying that will happen, and the reason is why this does look bullish, but why you should also keep your eyes peeled on it is because we have just hit a weekly overbought level on the weekly RSI. So it does tell us that the market is very overheated. Last time we were overbought on the weekly RSI was actually a long time ago. It was 2 years ago, actually 2.5 years ago. And since then we did see a downtrend, but hopefully we can just correct here at a moderate sort of correction, maybe down to the sort of very low 300s, and then see some continuation to the upside. Coin number 2, because this one here is going to launch soon on bigger and better centralized exchanges. Coin number 2 is Sponge V2. It is a meme coin. I know it's not for everyone out there, but meme coins do perform well in the bull markets. Sponge V2, I know, is launching soon on multiple tier 1 and tier 2 exchanges. I don't know the names of them, I just know that it's going to happen. I've got a few ideas of where I think it can launch, but Sponge is looking pretty hot right now as well. It's been in a massive uptrend since we started talking about it. We've been looking at this for months, and for those that don't know, Sponge V1 existed in May 2023 and did a 50x when Pepe was around, you know, when Pepe was big. So yeah, we are getting this continuation to the upside. You can actually see Sponge is pumping again. It's just so bullish, so euphoric. Nothing can break Sponge down right now. It's just ridiculous. So looking really good. Sponge, of course, high risk, high reward meme coin, but the fact they're listing on bigger and better exchanges tells me that a lot of volume and liquidity could come in. So they're already on tons of articles. They've already got their place on many big exchanges out there. They've got a solid roadmap where in stage 3, tier 1 centralized exchange listings will happen with the Sponge V2 claim and listing going live. And I think all of this is a recipe for potentially something great to happen for this particular coin. Remember, not financial advice, but if you want to grab some Sponge or take a look at it, you can click the link down below. Lots of people are staking their Sponge here. As you can see, 193 per annum percentage on Ethereum and 1,167% on the Polygon chain right now. So it's also multi-chain interoperable like that, of a $51 million market cap, 564k liquidity, 50k holders. 50k holders is not a massive amount for a big meme coin. If you look at Pepe and stuff, it's going to be much higher. So when this does get listed on more exchanges, you're going to see that holder level, that rate of holders fly up much more. So yeah, Sponge, they 1.6k followers there on Twitter. Lots of bullishness, very fun. Hopefully we can see something great happen. If you are new here, by the way, guys, make sure you consider becoming a Patreon so you can unlock over 500 trading signals per month. And for you crypto legends, I have a new fair launch, straight to DEX stealth launch to talk about next week, and you guys will hear about it first. So crypto legends will hear about that first. Coin number 3 will be Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin has its famous halving soon coming up, where basically the reward will be reduced from 6.25 Bitcoin per block to 3.125. 64-ish days away, guys. This is a huge historical event. And what this means is effectively it's going to reduce the scarcity, or increase the scarcity of Bitcoin, but reduce the injected supply of Bitcoin. It's going to be harder to mine. It's going to be harder to get more flowing supply. So this is going to make it harder to actually have a full supply of the 21 million Bitcoins in circulation, which makes it more rare and more sought after, highly demanded commodity, liquid commodity being Bitcoin itself. So 64 days out, guys, not long to prepare. And usually we see a rally towards the Bitcoin halving, then we get a bit of a correction and not really a dump, just a correction in the market following this for Bitcoin. And then I think we'll get that 6-month classic post-halving rally. But right now, Bitcoin is looking ridiculous, from lows of 16k up to 52k. For me, because I'm here for the long term, I'm here to hold Bitcoin for the next 20 years. I mean, I'll be like nearly 50 by then. It doesn't matter if I'm buying at 20k, 40k, 50k, 70k, 100k, because I personally just think Bitcoin will get to 500k to $1 million in the future. So that's why this is coin number 3. Moving into coin number 4. This is another meme coin, and I told you guys about this in the Discord very recently. It goes by the name of Smog, and I can tell you right now, something crazy is going to happen potentially for Smog. You can see it's retesting almost its previous all-time high, but what's happening, what's round the corner, which is very special, there are 6 centralized exchanges which will be, this coin will be listing on in the next sort of 7 to 14 days. 6 centralized exchanges. I know some of them are big, and I can't say what they are, but all I can say, it's good. It's good, and we could potentially see another leg up here for Smog. We'd be looking at the 0.1 region, which would be a new all-time high, around a 20 to 30% move if we do get it. So Smog had recently a fair launch. It went crazy. Got some big numbers for this coin. Actually, we can quickly check the DEX tools whilst we're looking at it, which is right there, I believe. Let's just check the Solana. No, Ethereum. Solana, yes, Solana. Gosh, yeah, this is a Solana-based meme coin, by the way, but you can also buy it on the Ethereum chain. So yeah, market cap $114 million. That is absolutely crazy. So we can see a very bullish looking ascending channel, triangle here for this token. And typically this is where you've got the rise of support and then a horizontal resistance, and we could actually get a breakout to the upside like we were just speculating a moment ago. I would be looking for, you know, target wise, maybe even between the 1.6 and the 2.6, so about 38% increase in price if we do get this massive bullish move here for Smog token. Now, Smog is a meme coin, the greatest Solana airdrop of all time. They still have an airdrop, and you can see it says on this website right here, last chance to buy at discount. So if you do buy this on the website, you actually get a 10% discount. You also get 42% APY. So if you want to research Smog, have a look at Smog, which could go crazy following its exchange listings, which is coming very soon, as the team promised in the roadmap. You know, click the link down below, do your research, not financial advice. It's always going to have a risk attached, but phase 3 is looking big with the airdrops, more airdrops to come. And you know, it was one humongous launch, and it's still looking so bullish. So you got the Smog token address on Solana, on Ethereum there, it looks great. It's already advertised and listed in many, many big websites where articles and journalists are talking about it. And I think, yeah, this one definitely has got the momentum to see some more craziness happen. Smog has 24.3k followers. You can see Smog, the greatest Solana airdrop of all time, by holding complete Zealy quest to qualify for the airdrop. So it's very, very, very big over here. And yeah, might get some continuation. Moving into coin number 5, this is another meme coin. And this is Meme Combat. And I think it's going to have similar relentless marketing force as to Smog and potentially Sponge. So $8.9 million raised. The hard cap for this is $10 million. So yes, guys, this one is actually a pre-sale, an ICO. Pre-sales tend to perform much better during a bull market environment, and we've only got 1.1 million to go until this is done. Then it will launch on DEX and hopefully some centralized exchanges. We can see one Meme Combat token is worth $0.279 right there, 106% APY if you do decide to stake as well. The roadmap, we'll see season 1 launch, because basically what Meme Combat is, it's an innovative new gaming platform designed for the gaming enthusiasts. From active betting to passive staking, there are rewards for all users. So this is bullish. You can buy it on the ERC20 network or the BEP20 network, depends on what you prefer. And overall, it's just looking pretty, good. It's got the pump mental sort of hype behind it. It's got a fully doxed KYC team with Matt Whiteman as the project lead here, which is very important because not all meme coins have a team exposed, and this one actually does. So it gives me good vibes, a good feeling about it. 18.5k followers on the Meme Combat Twitter. Lots of socials, pushing out every day, getting lots of organic growth, lots of retweets, impressions, things like that. So yeah, looking pretty good. So there it is, folks. 5 coins that I am basically looking at right now. I bought some BNB. I'm always DCAing into Bitcoin, even though it's not really a DCA moment. But I think, Smog, very, very time sensitive. Sponge, quite a time sensitive one as well, because you've got all the centralized exchange listings coming soon, and it says launching on bigger and better exchanges, which is just a very important thing. And then Meme Combat, because just around the corner, this one's also going to launch, and I'm really hoping to see a 2 to 3x with this one here. So all high risk, high reward stuff. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Have fun in the crypto space. As always, stay crypto safe, and remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully see you guys in the Discord as well. And you can join the next fair launch tab. You can come hang out in the VIP chat. You can get some nice trading signals, or you can just hang out in the free chat if you want to do that as well. So all the links are down below. Discord, Patreon, all those projects as well. And I'll see you very soon. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay blessed. Subscribe. Peace.